I'm Peppa Pig. Look at me. This is George. He's a cannibal. This is Mommy Pig. She's also a cannibal. This is Dad. He likes to snort. I'm Peppa Pig. Chocolate rain.
Chocolate rain.
Oh, would you look at that? We can go outside now, can't we? Please, Mommy. I'm not your mum. You can't go outside. I'm offended. Yay! Let's go, George. Chocolate. I love chocolate. I love licking it too. Oh, I love this. Wait a minute. You can't do that. I have to wear these ridiculous boots on too. But I don't want to. Don't care. Yay! I look ridiculous and jumping in chocolate. Yay! George, I was enjoying that, and you're a cannibal, so you can't do that. That's not fair. You can't eat that. You're supposed to eat like pigs. Yay! No, you look ridiculous, and you're a cannibal. Ha ha! Oh, that's so funny. Anyways, we gotta go back inside soon. More puddles, yes! Yay, more puddles. We both look ridiculous. Yay, you jumped in the big one. I'm offended so much because you should have taken this one. Oh, look. No, you can't do that. I want to go first. Biggest, oldest. Yes, it's like a cake. I am the proudest pig that's not a cannibal. Are you a hose again? I don't like that, but cheer up. Oh no, I got chocolate on me. Now it looks like a cake. Don't eat me, please, because you're a cannibal. Ha ha, ha ha. I'm probably going to go back inside soon because you're a cannibal. Yay! Yeah, I love rolling around in chocolate. It's so much fun. Hey, I'm so chocolatey, I can be a cake. How about we go inside and show Mummy? She's going to be so mad. Oh, look at that. What have we done to yourselves? Mummy, look. We got chocolate. I don't never heard of that. What is that? Are you full of chocolate? No, we're coated. Well, let's stop that. But that's not funny. Can you stop, please? That's not funny. Anyways, we need to go clean you up. So what we gonna do? Frosting, 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 frosting. No, we can't have frosting. That won't help at all. What we gonna do? How about that dance move? What about the sponge I found in the car? There you go, George. This is your punishment for being a cannibal. This is so much fun. When am I gonna get dechocolatized? In a minute. Yay! Thanks for coming out and looking ridiculous with us, Mommy and Daddy Pig. It's gonna be so much fun. This is your punishment for eternity. That wasn't nice of you. The kids are scared now. No, we're not. We want to kill him. Ha 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 ha. Help, 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 help. We're all gonna eat you soon enough because we're pigs. Yay, we're cannibals. Go cannibals. This is the credits. Deal with it. There's like Julian, who does music. Good job. Joan and Phil Davis and stuff here. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video. Don't burn yourselves. Okay, bye.